Hello guys, and welcome back again to my English vocabulary lessons today. Today we're going to be talking about two more vocabulary words that you should know in English. But before we get started, as always guys, please like my page and also hit that subscribe button down there for me. And if you have not already done so, it would always be appreciated. Thank you guys. So look, we're going to be talking about two words today, two more vocabulary words in English that you should know. They are homophone words. In some of my previous videos, I talked about homophones. Homophones are they are words that sound similar. They sound similar when you are pronunciating them, but they both have different meanings and they spell differently. The two words I'm talking about, one is owl, A-I-S-L-E, and the other one is owl, I-S-L-E. They sound the same, they sound similar, owl and owl, but they have different meanings and they spell differently also. So let's look at the first one. The first one is owl, A-I-S-L-E. Owl is a passageway. It's like when you go to the movie theater and you have to walk in the aisle to get to your seats. That's an aisle. It's a hallway. It's a passageway. Okay? So let's look at the other one. The other one is owl, I-S-L-E. An owl is an island. It's an island, guys, or land surrounded by water. So you have those two different meanings in English, owl and owl. Study those two English vocabulary words. Look it up in the dictionary so you can understand what it means in your language. If you don't have a clear understanding in this particular message I'm giving you on this video, study it, practice these words. The more vocabulary words that you comprehend in English, the closer you will be getting to understanding the English language and conversing. Again, guys, please make a comment. Let me know what you think about my videos. Let me know what I can do to improve my videos so it can help you get better in understanding the English language. And also, again, guys, please like my page if you like my page. And also hit that subscribe button if you have not already done so. And as always, it would be greatly appreciated. Go out there and have a great day, guys, and I will see you during the next English vocabulary exercise. Bye.